Welcome. In this video I will show you how to boot your Microsoft Surface Studio 2 from USB. So first of all, we're gonna have to insert our USB flash drive into this computer. I already have it inserted into the USB port on the left edge of the laptop, and after that turn off your computer by going to power options, shutdown anyway. And right now what we have to do is wait until the device is turned off, then hold down the F4 button right here, hold it down, and while holding it down you have to short press the power button to just launch your computer. After that, keep holding the F4 button to get to the BIOS menu, or as it is called on this computer, the Windows UEFI. Okay, so once we are here, in order to select our USB flash drive as booting device, we're gonna have to go to boot configuration on the sidebar. Now here we're gonna have to drag the USB storage to the top of the list, and basically that's it. But that's it only in case you want to boot your device using the recovery image, the official recovery image. Otherwise, you're gonna have to go to security and disable secure boot. To do that, you're gonna have to click change configuration under secure boot configuration and select none, and then click OK. This way you will disable the secure boot, but I'm gonna keep it enabled because I in fact have the recovery image on this USB flash drive. And after that, we're gonna have to click exit on the sidebar and click restart now to reboot our device from USB flash drive. Okay, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.